Hey guys, welcome to Top End Rugby League Cards. This is the team randomizer for break 161. 5 boxes, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20 elite. 16, 17 and 18 are from fresh cases too. So thanks for filling it and getting payments in. We'll go live. Team randomisation. Alright, times 146. We'll grab the teams. What am I doing? Sorry, guys. Paste them in there. Tigers at the bottom, Bronx at the top. Excuse me, 5 times. Once, 16 spots. Twice. 3 times. 4 times. And 5 times. We'll grab them. Put them in here. I'll put this list straight up. If you can tag me if there's any trades, please. And while we're live for Super Saturday, I'll have a look and make sure it's all good. All right, guys, take it easy. See you in about 10 minutes. Time's 1:47. Cheers, guys.